Okay, so we have brought out this donation to a successful end. We want to say a very big thank you to the Almighty God for making this day, possible for us to get here to get this event done. And also, you want to say a very big thank you to all our partners. I mean, I'm talking about Kingdom of Kings partners. We want to say a very big thank you to all of you for your support. It's because of support that is why we are seeing what you are seeing today. So you want to say God bless all of you. Those of you abroad, overseas, and everywhere. Kingdom of Kings partners, God bless you all. Not to forget our president, Mr. Basil Akwete Ama. Bishop, wherever you are, you say God bless you for supporting this whole movement and bringing this to reality. We believe that as we discuss it, we didn't think we would see what you are seeing today. By the grace of God, we came in, we delivered. We brought some rice, tin tomatoes, a whole lot of food stuff that we brought in today, and everybody has gotten this shirt. So you want to say a very big thank you for your support, for the love that you've shown so far this project is concerned. We are so grateful. We are so grateful. God bless you.